everyone, this is Anaish. I am 14 years old and I am learning video editing from my father, who is a professional video editor, and I also wanna be the one too. And today I realized that focusing only on visuals while editing and ignoring audio is the biggest mistake that many beginner editors make, and I don't want my audience to repeat this mistake. So in this video I am going to show you guys that how to convert mono audio to stereo audio to make it look more professional and depthful. So let's just begin without wasting any time. So first of all, you have to import the audio file that you want to convert from mono to stereo in Adobe Audition. Then you have to click on this file. Now you have to select the entire audio track by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard. Now go to the favorites menu and select convert to stereo. Now you have to go to effects panel. Now you have to go to amplitude and compression. From here you have to select the multi-band compressor, and this panel will be shown up here. You have to select broadcast from here. Most of the time it is selected as default by itself, but we have to select the broadcast. Now we have to click on apply. It would take a few seconds, and now our audio is converted to stereo audio file. Now it is converted from mono audio track to stereo audio track. To check the results, simply play the audio track.
कराकोरम के अजीमो शान और सरबा फलक पहाड़ों के दरमियान बसी हुंजा वैली,
and make sure that the audio is coming from both right and left channels. I mean that, like, if you are wearing headphones, then after making it to stereo, the audio will come from both left and right sides to your ears. And that's it. We have successfully converted our mono audio track to stereo audio track. Now you just have to simply press Ctrl and S to save it to the place where you want to save it. Like, I want it to save like here, so I would just simply name it final vocal, because it is the final vocal. I have make it stereo. Now I can put it into the Premiere Pro for editing, because it is all done. I hope that you learned something new from my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye everyone.